Hi, we're standing outside Courtney's house by the road, as you can see, and it's really fun to make, try to like make the cars and stuff horn or beep or like wave or something. And every time somebody like beeps, we're like go crazy and stuff. It's really fun. You should try it. I don't recommend running in the road though, cause then you could sue us for killing you. So here we go. Let's go. We're not gonna murder anybody. Don't worry. You loser!
You guys know that you're not even in the picture, only Jordan is?
You loser!
You guys let me film.
Do that thing.
Fizzle.
You loser!
We're gonna get our house burned down because of you guys. Everybody that you call the loser will be like at our house burning it down.
What? They don't know where we go.
Jordan, skip down the street and come back. Small trucks, more beer or something?
No.
Big trucks, small Peter.
There's a car that waved at us.
Awesome.
Somebody waved at us. Woo. I'm gonna go stand on that pole.
No one cares.
Courtney, come on. Looks like being in the rain. Huh? Huh? I want to get up on the Super Bowl. Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. Huh? Huh?
I'm on the Super Bowl now.
Oh yeah, that was funny.
Okay, guys.
Courtney, you shouldn't like actually just put it down.
I like holding on to it.
Courtney. Okay, well then don't sit down.
Jordan, you're just like...
What?
Ow, ow! I think I...
hear my rap? Okay, here's my rap. I'm a gangster. I'm a straight up G. The gangster life. Here's the life to me.
Yeah, could you
Stealing
make that
cars by day, selling drugs by night. That's the rest of my gangster life. Woo!
Word. Wait, this is my community pager. Don't do drugs, because drugs are bad. And also, teen sex is illegal. Don't touch a girl's booty. Jordan, do you have something to say?
I do.
Wow.
I like puppies.
You like puppies?
I like puppies.
Yeah, everybody's also
I like little dogs.
Suddenly she comes up.
That was a loud one.
That was my sneeze.
I'm the Terminator.
I'll be back. She almost got that on me. Ew.
Honk, 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 honk.
We shouldn't stop because it's late and the car's going honk because I fart.
No, Carson, don't honk.
What? Okay, we have to be quiet, you guys.
We gotta wave him a biker.
Yeah, cool.
The biker waved at us, but he didn't honk. I wanted him to honk so
Yeah,
bad.
he's gonna wave because he wants to remember our house address so maybe he bring gasoline next time we burn it down. Good for you, losers.
Dude, we should have been going to Peter. Oh!
We're so popular. Me corn honey off.
Hey, you want to see my dance? I'm all better. Want to see my dance? Ow. That's not your dance. Want to see my dance? This is my dance.
Want to see my dance?
Oh, losers. My friend. Okay. So this is the thing.
Wow.
Yeah, he couldn't even walk it. Everyone's hands would be on the ground. It'd be like, hands on the ground! Hands on the ground! Looking like a fool with your pants on the ground. And mouth, hat turns sideways.
It's 5 minutes and 21 seconds.
Tuck it with your pants on the ground. Get it up. Hey, get your pants on.
My bra size is 14. We should stop this one and make another one. Can I stop it? It's 5 minutes and 34 seconds.
Bye-bye.